Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I'm going to do an open box and I'm going to do a review on a splitter which I bought it from Amazon. So let's open the box and find out how good this splitter is. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's open the box. Here you go. The box came with a splitter. It's a good quality, nice metal body. It's not cheap plastic, it's a really good metal body. It's a 2-channel splitter. So the input goes here and you get 2 output. And there's a DC adapter here, and that's pretty much it. And this one has a I guess Asian and European plug in it. That's pretty much it. Good quality, that's a thing. So let's connect this and check it out how it works and the quality. Okay, and this one can go up to 4K 60 Hertz. So this will work with HDMI 4K. So let's connect to the TV and check it out how good this one is. Okay, so I have a small HDMI cable which I'm going to use as an input, which connects here, and that will get connected to my IPTV box. It goes here, and let's connect a TV. I have 3 TV at this house, but basically I'm just gonna use it for 2. Just gonna connect one here, okay, and the other TV I'm just gonna connect here. So I have 1 input and 2 output. Okay, let's connect the power. Power is here. Okay, the power came on, and this 2 LED came on. As soon as I connected, that's 1 TV right there. So when you connect, there's 1 TV running. That means there's 1 light on. So that's running here. Let me show you the other TV right here. So when I turn it on, there's a delay here. See, both are running. As simultaneously, if you look at it, both are running. Okay, so that means it's coming from the same source. I'm just running my video because because of the copyright issue. But if you look at it, it's really good quality, no problem at all. So you can see 2 lights there, and that means both of them are running. And volume, see, volume on both TV. So good quality, and yeah, it works. So if you want a cheap splitter, check out this link below in my description, so you can buy from there. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing. I'll be coming with another video soon. Till then, it's me, Aldo, signing off. Bye bye.